Hello everybody, welcome to Automation Industry 4.0 YouTube channel. We are in session 6. Today we want to talk about teach target on the surface. So how to teach welding target on the surface. Today we will have this topic to learn about that. Okay, in this project we want to use a robot ABB IRB1300 is used. The specification of this robot is a type of ABB robot. The model number is IRB1300. Payload is 7 kg. Reachability is 1.4 meter. So it's a type of robot arm with 6 axes. Reachability is 1.4 meter. Repeatability is 0.02 meter, 2 millimeter. The weight of the robot is 778 kg. The common application for this type of robot will be used for welding, painting, pick and place, and assembly. So in this project, we want to use this type of robot for welding on a circle. Which tools I'm going to use in this project? I'm going to use in this project welding gun. The weight of the welding gun is 3 kg, and we can use these tools for any robot arm having a payload greater than 3 kg. So this type, as we can see here in this picture, is a welding gun. We want to connect to the arm and to use for welding. So in the next slide, we can see how we can use welding robot for welding on a circle. First step for robot code writing in the RoboDK is to choose of the component. First component we need to bring in the RoboDK environment is ABB IRB1300 robot arm. So the next component is welding gun. It should be connected to the head of the robot. And the next component we need to bring in the RoboDK environment is semi-sphere with diameter 500 millimeters. So we need to bring all of this component inside of the RoboDK environment and then write a code writing and program for the robot. Okay, for RoboDK code writing, first go to the file, new station, and the new station is created. So now we need to find our component. Go to the Open Robot Library. You have to be sure you are connected to the internet. Click on here, and you need to find our component IRB1300. And here we have a 3 option. Our part number is 113.7/1.4. So download it, and after download, double click on the robot. The component will be appear here. Next step would be find the other component robot. So we need to come to the object and go to the type and then choose shape. Inside of the shape we have different type of the shape. So we need to bring a sphere, semi-sphere with diameter, you can see here, semi-sphere with diameter 500. We have another one, diameter 100, diameter 1000. We need this part number. So download it and double click on the component, and the component will be appear here. The next component would be welding gun. So we need to come to the tools and search. We need to weld. as we can see here, welding gun, the weight of the welding gun is 3 kg. This is the component we need to bring in our environment. So download it and go to the download and double click on the gun, and gun directly will be connected to the robot. Okay, now we have all of the components in the RoboDK environment. Now we need to make some setting and configuration in the software and on the robot. First, get an Alt on the keypad, and the direction of the robot will be appear here, and get a mouse, left click of the mouse and bring the robot in this place. And release the Alt, release the click. So double clicking on the semi-sphere. So on this window will be appear. We want to have some setting and configuration on the semi-sphere. Here there is a degree. We want to change 180. And we want to change X direction is good, and Y direction I want to bring it here in the 700, 0, in the Z, to bring it 700. Okay, this configuration is done on the welding robot. So now I want to have some configuration on welding gun. Press Alt and move the gun in this way, and some movement on the X direction, some movement in the Z direction, and bring the welding gun on the edge of the sphere. Okay, so rotate to push a better place. Release the Alt and zoom on the target. You have some space here. Press the Alt and bring the welding gun exactly fit with the sphere. Okay, I think release the Alt and release the left key. All of the configuration and setting is done. Now we need to go to the program and teach target on the surface. Okay, now teach robot on the surface. Program, teach robot on the surface, and now we have a robot here. The first target will be here. Click on here. The first target. Next target we want to be here. Third target we want to be here. And the fourth target we want to be here. Okay, we have a 4 target. Target number 1, target number 2, target number 3, target number 4. To have a circle and to have a welding for a circle pass. So now we are ready to create a program. Next step, we want to make a program. Click on here, program number 1, rename it welding prog. Okay, so in the target number 1, bring the robot in the target number 1, and the target number 1, I want to be a linear target. Click on here, add a linear movement to a program. Click on here. Target number 1 is linear. Target number 2, 2, 3 select both target number 2 and 3, target number 2, control target number 3, and come here and to choose add the circular movement to a program. Choose here, and you can see here move C target 2 to target 3. So the next movement would be target 4 to target 1 as a circle pass. Control target 4, target 1, both is selected, and then click on add the circular movement. So we add it here. Now the program is completed. Now I want to run the program. So right click and run the program. Run is here. The program is run. So the first, as you can see here, we have a circle movement. So I want to increase this speed of the simulation by here and to see the result. So double click. You have two type of the run the program. Right click, run, or double click on the welding program. The robot will be, the program will be run. So a little decreasing the speed of the running. Double click on the welding program. You can see here you have a circle pass, and we have a welding on a circle pass. A little increasing to see better the result. Double click on the welding program. All of the program will be run. So, or right click and run. As you can see here the result of the code writing. If you like to learn industrial robot arm programming step by step, Automation Industry 4.0 provides a complete step-by-step training series for you. Please follow us. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to have a more tutorial in the future. We will cover a step-by-step tutorial for industrial robot arm. Thank you for your attention.